Hello, today I'm going to do an unboxing and review from WISKF. It is WISKF company. They have tote bags. It is a tote bag company and they sent me a couple of products. And so we're going to open this up and look at that. They have all different kinds of bags and different kinds of tote bags and so many different, I want to talk without touching this. This is really loud. I apologize for that. They have so many different styles and designs. It's so neat. It was really, really difficult for me to decide which ones I wanted. Got two different tote bags, but I do want to let you know that they did send me a coupon code. So in the description, there'll be a link to their website. There'll be a link to each of these two products if you want one of these, the same design, or it'll take you to that style, so you can pick a different design. And then also the coupon code will be in the description. So if you'll please use my link to go to their website, I would really, really appreciate that. And then don't forget to use the coupon code. So that'll be right there at the top in the description. If you can't find it, let me know, just in case I forget to put something in there. Okay, I'm going to open these up, but I'm going to be quiet when I open them up so that way I can mute it during the editing process. Okay, this is a linen tote bag. And when I open this up, you're going to know why I chose this design. If you watch any of my videos and you've seen my doggies, that looks so much like Lucy. What do y'all think? Isn't that cute? And when I saw that, I was like, okay, that's the one. That looks like my Lucy. This is much wider than I thought it was going to be. I didn't really pay attention to the measurements. But I thought this would be a good shopping bag, or you could use it as a beach bag or whatever. I love the material and I love how vibrant it is. So it is, let's see what it shows. Over 16, about 16 and a half. Almost 16 inches tall. Okay, they've got everything in centimeters. So they've got 40 centimeters. It says 40 centimeters, 40 centimeters. Shoulder strap length is about 70 centimeters. And these are those nice, thick handles. Let's see. And it's double-sided, so both sides. I've got my Lucy on both sides. Looks like it's sewn really well. If I have any issues, but it's just one, it looks like one seam. So I have a sewing machine. If I'm afraid this isn't going to hold up, I can go in and go over that a few more times. Because if you do anything real heavy, it may not hold up. And then this is what it looks like on the inside. So it hangs about right there. This is awesome. I love this. Love the butterflies, and I love the print, of course. But I love the way it feels. I'll probably use it as a shopping bag. We will see. Okay, let me put this one off to the side. Now I'm going to open this one, and I'm going to mute opening it so you don't have to listen to that plastic. This one is their zipped tote bag. And I got a design I thought my daughter would like. So this is the back side. It's a nice thick material. And here's the design. It's a black cat. I thought it was really cute. We have another dog named Kit Kat, and she's all black, so Kit Kat. My daughter likes cats, so I thought she might like this, but I did think that was funny that it's a black cat, since we have a black Kit Kat. Oh, it has a little zipper pouch on the inside as well. So a little, and it's lined differently. So that's nice. Be easy to clean. And then it's got, the base is like this, which I like as well. So this would be nice if you're doing a little day trip or something. Just whatever, you need to carry some books or notebooks and whatever you're doing. Little errands. Really cute. Looks to be put together really, really nicely. I don't know if it is, but it looks like it would be easy to clean too, like you could throw it in the washing machine. I don't see any kind of label on it telling you. It says it's polyester and it's 37 by 27 by 8 centimeters. The shoulder strap is 25 centimeters. Easy to clean, can be washed directly with the washing machine or by hand. So it is machine washable according to them. I forgot to look on this one. Okay, it does not give you the instructions on whether or not you can throw it in the washing machine or not. I don't know why you couldn't, but I'm surprised they don't say that on this. I would think you would have to be careful about drying it since it's linen. I would think you can wash it, but I would be careful about washing it on anything other than cold and then like hanging it up to dry or laying it flat to dry. I wouldn't dry it in your dryer. But that being said, I am super happy with these bags. I think they are adorable. I can't wait to use this one for shopping, and then I'm sure me or my daughter will find a good use for this and we'll use it. And this one is less expensive than this one, of course, because this one is, you know, lined and it's got this and zipped and such. But if you're looking for shopping bags or something, these are awesome. And they're nice and big. Usually these kind of totes are, for like shopping bags, are usually smaller, not as wide as this. So I'm excited to do that. So I'm going to try to use it the next time I go shopping too, so you can see a picture of it. But I am very, very happy with these bags and this company. So yeah, if you are interested in getting these, and they are inexpensive too, they are not expensive, and then you get a little coupon discount with my coupon code. So be sure and use that if you're interested in going over there. And they have little small bags. They have, I think they have makeup bags and all different kinds of things. So like I said, I had a hard time deciding what I wanted. They have project bags. They call them project bags. All different kinds of small bags that you could use for, you know, crafting or makeup and just different things like that. So I got the two bigger of the bags, the linen tote bag and the zipped tote bag. And like I said, they have so many different designs, so many to choose from. I may take some screenshots too to show you that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that you will give them a shot for gifts or for yourself. I give this a win. So very, very happy with them. You see that it came packed well, so there was no damage to them. It may take a couple of weeks for delivery, but besides that, I'm very, very happy with them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and I hope you will go check out their website, but be sure to use my link. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Tap that bell if you subscribe so you'll get notifications on any of my videos, premieres, or live streams. And I hope you have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching. I will catch you all on the next one.